Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Professor Shamla Basme, teaching law in Modern College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Shivaji Nagar, Pune, would like to speak on business law, that is called as mercantile law, which is a very important law that governs the business transactions between the people who are interested in business activities. Mercantile also deals with rights and obligations of the business, and it has various sources. One of them is English law, and it has scope, mercantile law, which has lot of scope. And in that scope we see that there is law of contract, law of sales of goods, law of partnership, then law of arbitration, law of insolvency, law of carriage of goods, industrial law, companies law. Law of contract is significant to carry on with the mercantile business by the mercantile person who is interested in business transactions. So we say that contract need to complete the steps that has to be followed, otherwise the contract goes void if the parties don't follow any of them. So contract's first thing is that it has to have offer, proposal, which is also called proposal, then consideration, acceptance, uh, free consent. Then we also see that void agreements are also there in this. The legality of contract is there, and if any party suffers in the contract will come under the remedies and breach of contract. There is also a discharge of contract. So every mercantile has to follow the rules and regulations and principles of law of mercantile in order to have a significant performance in the business. If the businesses doesn't go well according to the contract goes void. It cannot be called illegal, it is called void. That means it cannot continue as a contract. So we say that contract basis has various objectives, and contract is between the two persons who are really interested in doing business or in doing transactions. So it is related, very closely related to mercantile law, or it is the part of mercantile law, we can say, because even law of partnership is a part of contract. Law of sales of goods is also a part of contract. And we say that what is contract? It is nothing but the legal performance of the people in business and contract part. So there are kinds of contracts which are there. There are various classifications of contract, and every contract needs to be fulfilled in a very legal way, what has been promised by both the parties. And if it is not being fulfilled by any one of them, the contract goes discharge. And if it is fully completed, then the discharge of contract is very well completed. Otherwise the breach anywhere in between the contract breaks, that is called as breach of contract, which can be also fulfilled for one of the parties as remedies or solutions for their rights in contract, what they have to claim. So we say that mercantile law covers every business transaction, and it governs very well the contract that has been done by the parties to it. So we say that contract is very important, and when we are doing any businesses like sales and sales of goods, even their contract is very essential. Even the parties, many persons together in between, they are doing partnership, even there the contract is essential. No contract is without consideration. So every contract is completed by an agreement and by consideration. So we say that contract is essential part in the mercantile law.